front of you. Join with me again for your English class. Here is lesson number 3 for you. The lesson's name is Ishwaran, the storyteller, and lecture 2 we have to do this morning. What happened when Mahendra leave his quarter for his duty? After his departure, Ishwaran tidy the clean, wash the clothes, and then after began to narrate the story himself. And he narrated so many nice story for the night. And when in the evening Mahendra returned for his duty, from his duty, and after finishing the dinner, he sat in front of his master and started his story. First of all, he started that one night while he was out of his house and came on the road, he found a big tree uprooted and fallen down on the road. The road was totally blocked. And suppose that he was looking a ghost among the branches. But he was so courageous that he did not fear. He came near to the tree and found that there was nobody there. He jumped over the tree and went outside. Then after, he unfinished this story and started the other story. He wanted to suppose himself or to prove himself that he was a brave man. He started another story that, sir, one day a tusker, it means a huge elephant who was mad, came close to his town, and on those days he was the junior student of his school. The elephant also entered on the ground of the school and told all things, goalpost of the football match, the net of the volleyball, all things. And all the teacher uprooted or on the roof, and the children joined their classes and shut the door. But he did not fear. He took one stick from the teacher's hand and came down and went to the elephant. The elephant looked at him, red-eyed. But Ishwaran did not fear. He came back to the elephant and began to throw mud and dust on his head. After some time, the elephant feared, shivered, and at the meantime, the forester was noticed. They came and took the elephant safely from the ground. In this way, Ishwaran wanted to complete the story. The story is so long, but he left this story here and went to the kitchen for some work. And so, we will start the story, what happened after this in the second lecture. You will prepare your task at home. Thanks.